Next up, iWalk portable charger that is designed for iPhones and other Apple devices. It costs about $30, but it has a built-in lighting cable and a massive 9000 mAh battery that is packed into a very compact body. In fact, this might be the smallest 9000 mAh power bank I've ever seen. The device looks and feels nice too. It's made of nice rubberized plastic that does attract some fingerprints, but it's nice at the touch. There is a tiny LED indicator, a power key, and USB Type-C port for charging. In fact, you can use this USB Type-C port to charge other devices too. For example, it works well with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The power bank is also capable of fast charging. For example, you can charge up to 40% of the iPhone 11 Pro's battery in just about 30 minutes. All in all, the iWalk is an awesome charger that has a massive battery inside, but it's compact and easy to travel with.